this one right here, the back part of the tongue plays an important role maybe in the articulation of the sound or g sound or sound, for instance. And so this part of the tongue is also very, very important. So that's why it is also labeled in phonetics and labeled differently from the other parts of the tongue. So the vowels themselves have got labels. So we have the low vowel. So the low vowel, that means that's a type of the vowel that when it is articulated, the tongue is in the lower part of the oral tract. So that's what the low vowel is. Can somebody tell me with the vowels that we have, what is the candidate? Which vowel is a candidate of the low vowel? So the R would be, maybe say it would be the low vowel, for instance, the R, because when it's produced, the tongue is in the lower part of the oral tract. And then the mid forward vowel. So mid, that means it's, again, considering the vertical position of the tongue. So mid means at the middle of the oral tract. Again, when we speak in the context of height in vowel production. Forward, that means the tip of the tongue or the horizontal position of the tongue. It's in the forward position, right? So mid-forward vowel. So mid-forward vowel would be a vowel like A, for instance, right? And then we have vowels, the high back vowel. So high, that refers to the horizontal position, sorry, the vertical position of the tongue or the height of the tongue. So that's what high means here. So high, it means the tongue is in the high position within the oral tract. Back, this one refers to the horizontal position of the tongue, right? So back, that means the tongue is at the back position of the oral tract. So the high back vowel, what vowel would that be? Can you guys guess?
Oh.
No, the O is actually a mid, I think it's a mid back vowel. O, yeah, it's a middle vowel. So this one here, it's actually an oo. Then the high back vowel, this one is a oo, because the tongue is in the higher position. Ooh, or just think about it. So say ooh, and then say o, ooh, o, and then try to find the position of your tongue in the articulation of those vowels. Actually, this one, the high back would be the oo vowel. So ooh, the tongue moves towards the back of the oral tract, and also it's in the high position of the oral tract during the articulation of this vowel. The close mid vowel, right? So here, close refers to the shape of the lips. Mid, again, refers to the vertical position or the height of the tongue. Back refers to the horizontal position of the tongue. So close mid, so that would be like the sound like, now you can say that sound, Tandiyo.
Oh.
Yeah. So we have, oh. So close means, oh, yeah. So close means it's, the lips are close. It means the lips are rounded, I think. So there will be, yeah, the one that you just said, oh. And then we have this one, the open mid back vowel. The open mid back vowel. So open means that the lips, the shape of the lips are somewhat open or wide. Mid means that the vertical position of the tongue is in the middle position. Back means that the position, the horizontal position of the tongue is at the back of the oral tract. Okay. So this one, I know, okay. Which one do you think this is?
E.
It's not an E. E is high. This one is middle. So E is high. This one is mid. This one is actually, it's an O. So actually, there are mid, back, yeah, O. So there are different variations of the O vowel. So sometimes you would have the O, and then sometimes you would have the O. So you have the O sizweni, for instance, O sizweni. So that's an O. And then sometimes you would have the O, like O go, O, O. So yes. So these are the two variants of the O vowel, two variants of the articulation of the O vowel. The open mid forward vowel. Mid forward. Which one do you guys think this one is? Okay, so this would be like an A. So it's open, the lips are open, it's in the middle position, and it's forward. A. So forward means that the tongue is in the front part of the oral tract. It's in the forward position. A. And then the high forward vowel. So the high forward vowel would be the E. It means the position, the tongue is in the high position within the oral tract. Forward means that the horizontal position of the tip of the tongue, it's in the forward position within the oral tract. So E. And
sorry to disturb you, but we have another class just now, like at 20 past. We have 1 for 3 at 20 past.
At 20 past, at which time?
20 past 12, so like in 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes time. Oh my God. Okay, so, and then these are the important tools important tools that you're gonna need to learn about when we speak of articulatory phonetics and acoustic phonetics. These are the tools that actually help us to study the nature of sound within phonetics in languages. 3 tools that are very, very important. Are there any